Main compartment, 3.5 LX1 WX 5.5H. Fits the iPhone 6. 800 denier water and abrasion resistant lightweight ballistic nylon fabric. Teflon fabric protector for grime resistance and easy maintenance. Triple polyurethane coated for water resistance. Top reviews from the United States. Pocketable EDC pouch. I was sick of all the stuff rattling around my pockets, so decided to replace my wallet with a micro. It fits a keyring flashlight, lighter, pen and notepad, slim power bank, short micro USB and USB-C cables, a small multi-tool / penknife and my keys. Bank cards and cash fit in the outside pocket. It'd be too big for my jeans pocket but fits my work trousers nicely, not that much bigger than a well-stuffed wallet.